Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to unbox the BioLite CampStove cook kit. I bought this direct off the BioLite website. You can also get it on Amazon. I'll put links in the comments. So in this kit, you get the camp stove itself, which burns the wood, blows the fan, and generates the electricity. You get a portable grill, which is what the food will go on. You get a bonus kettle pot for boiling water, 1 liter of water, a coffee press, French press style, which is good. I use one at home. And you get a flexible USB LED light. Okay, let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. So inside you got 3 boxes, modulistic, each containing the components you need to assemble. Okay, so box 1, camp stove. So this looks to be the thermocouple, the fan fins. This comes right out. Power button. And this is your container for putting the wood, and it comes with a little stand here, and then take this insert out, and then this would go in on the side here. This goes in through here. So when inserting this, it goes in at an angle, and the bottom part here, you have to put the fin back and it clips right in. Okay, that was pretty simple. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 contains the accessories and instructions, some fire starter material, instructions, the flex light, and a USB cable. Looks like it also comes with a carry bag, which is useful. I was wondering where all the other stuff is, and they're actually in the sides here. So here's the light, USB light. Flexible, of course. And this looks to be the fire starter material. I'll just leave that in the plastic. And again, on this side here, tucked away, was the instruction manuals. And BioLite recommends that you register your product for proper warranty. And now on to box 3, which is the kettle, pot, and coffee press. Fairly sizable. Looks like it gives you some handles here. Just peel off the lid here. Some additional cardboard. And this is your French press. If you've ever used one, I use one that's actually makes really good coffees. So that's that. So here's the important part of the BioLite, is the grill itself. Comes with a nice cover on it. This comes off. And then this all comes off here too to expose the grill. There's some legs on the bottom here. And this goes on top of your blower. And this is a feed port for adding additional wood, pine cones, wood pellets. Okay, so you grab your BioLite attached to the container here, and it's secure. Got the legs unfolded. And you just simply put this on top of that. Make sure that the legs to the barbecue part are out and it's fairly secure. This flap opens up and you can feed stuff in. Okay, one thing you want to do is kind of test out your BioLite to make sure it works. So you just want to hit your power button here. And you can see I got just over about 2/3 power here. This is right out of the box. I haven't charged this at all. I know you can charge these things right off the bat, and it's recommended actually because you need a little bit of residual power to actually start the blower. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, if you can hear that. And you hit it again to go up another level, and then full. So I can feel air coming out here. This is going, and when fire is actually burning in here, this transducer will convert the heat power into electrical charge and charge your battery level. Of course, there's nothing going on here, so it's just going to be a drain on here. This here is your fire indicator, your temperature. If you get something too hot, you don't want to use accelerators or anything like that. Otherwise, it will get too hot, and I believe it will shut off if it exceeds the top level here. Down here is your USB port. I believe you can charge it from there, and you can also hook up your LED light. Let's do that. Okay, I have the light plugged in, and I believe you just tap it. There you go. And you just hold down the power button to turn it all off. So you can just turn it on, off. All right. I think I'm ready for a trial run here. Okay, so before I take it out and actually cook something, this is from the factory, so I'm just going to give this probably a clean in the sink here, just to get all the factory oils off of it. When you are cleaning it, this comes right off, and you get the stainless steel bottom here, which you probably want to clean this frequently just to keep a buildup of any type of greases and food residue. Although I believe this gets so hot that a lot of your grease will actually ash up, and it makes cleaning a lot easier. That's one of the reasons I bought this, so we'll be testing that out on the trial run. Okay, I got some nice pork steaks ready to go. They're marinating with some butt rub. If anybody's interested, I do a smoking playlist on my channel. Just check out the Traeger smoked meats section, and you can check out some good barbecue. Real tasty. Okay, I just grabbed a piece of wood from the wood pile, and I got my little wood splitter that I got from Princess Auto. Works pretty good for making up some quick pieces for the barbecue here. Works pretty good. Okay, so I have my BioLite here with some chopped up wood, and I also have some flavored wood pellets here to keep it going. So I'll just put some paper in there and see if we can get a fire going. Okay, so the BioLite just kind of turned on itself there. It's on low setting. You can see battery power 2/3, fan at number 1, and the heat sensor here is at low. So we'll just keep feeding some fuel until the heat gets a little higher. All right, we'll throw in some wood pellets. That should add to the flavor. Okay, this is about ready for the grill here, so I'll put it on low and put the grill on. Okay, now we can ramp it up a bit. Let's get the grill hot and ready for some cooking. Okay, so the grill's getting hot. It's letting off a little smoke, but the grill's just, since it's the first time firing up, it's just going to take a little bit to burn off the oils and whatnot. I did wash it, so I'm just going to let it heat up for a while. Okay, I think it's time to get grilling. Not a whole lot of real estate, but we'll make do. The steaks will shrink a little bit as they cook. It smells amazing. So this has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and it's almost done, but I just wanted to show you that the battery power is now full. Heat's full, and we're at full fan. So I'm just going to taper down the fan a little bit. And finish off the cook. Alright, let's get these off. So here's one of the reasons I bought this thing. If you look closely, 0 to no grease. And whatever's on there now, it's going to burn off. I'm just going to let it burn off the rest of the fuel here. Not a whole lot left. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Okay, there you have it. Pork steak barbecued up on the BioLite camp grill. Got some wild rice. I cooked it in some mushroom broth. some greens, carrots, and a decent beer. It's going to be a good dinner. I really can't wait to get this thing out on the claim, out camping. It's going to make things really nice and easy for me. Cleanup's a cinch. Looks good. And when you're all done, everything nicely fits into the bag supplied. Cover for the barbecue, the blower and transducer, and the French press water boiler.